how to switch to light mode on Chrome. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can switch your Google Chrome to light mode. For that, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, launch your Google Chrome browser on your device. Once you do so, here at the bottom right, you will find Customize Chrome option. Click on this option and at the right side, you will find this window. Here you can see currently the dark theme is selected. You will see the light theme option just ahead of this dark theme. You just simply have to click on this option and then you can see you have successfully switched Google Chrome to light mode. If you didn't find the Customize Chrome option at the bottom right, you can select these three dots at the top right and from this menu here click on Settings at the very bottom. Once you do so, now you will be taken to your settings page. Here at the left side, you will find the options. From here, select Appearance option. Tap on it. And once you do it, at the right side, you will find the options. Here you can click on it and select the light theme. From here also, you can switch your Google Chrome to light mode. Also, Chrome follows your system theme. So even if you don't see this option, you can change to light mode by heading over to the settings. For that, in the search bar at the bottom, type Settings and press Enter. You will be taken to your settings page. Here at the left side, you will find Personalization option. Click on this option and from here select Colors. Once you select it, now you can choose your color and select the light. Here you will find Choose Your Mode option. Once you find this option, at the right side you will find this button. Click on this button and then there you will find Light option. Now you just simply have to click on this light option and then you will be able to change your Chrome browser to light mode. So after adjusting these settings, Chrome will display in light mode. So this is how you can switch Google Chrome to light mode. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.